Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. PDF file too large to send or upload? Fortunately, there are ways to compress PDF file sizes without losing noticeable quality. In this video, I'll show you how to compress PDF file size easily. This method works for both mobile and PC devices. Let's go. PDF files are widely used for sharing documents, but they can sometimes be too large to store efficiently. A major factor that contributes to this is the presence of high-resolution images in the document. There are several ways to compress PDF file sizes without losing quality. If you have your iPhone, it has a built-in feature that helps reduce the PDF size for free without needing any apps. Apple's Files application has simplified the process of compressing files on your iPhone. Just make sure you have updated your iPhone to at least iOS 13 or any newer version. To start with, go to Files app and select the PDF file. Tap and hold the document to see a drop-down menu. Click on Quick Actions and choose Optimize File Size. This option will compress the PDF document to make it smaller. The compressed version is automatically saved to the same folder. If your PDF file is too large to upload or send by email, you can also easily reduce its size online. Many free websites offer PDF compression services. This works on both phone and PC devices and is very convenient for PDF files because they usually don't take up too much space like videos. One of them is I Love PDF, which offers a range of tools for working with PDF files. It is fast and easy to use. You can upload, edit, convert, merge, split, compress, or protect your PDF files in a few clicks. It is secure and reliable. You can trust that your files are safe with I Love PDF, as they use SSL encryption and delete them from their servers after processing. It is free and accessible. You can use I Love PDF without registration or installation. Once you're on your browser, just type ilovepdf.com. Go to Compress PDF and choose a file. After selecting a file, pick Recommended Compression for a good quality outcome of a document. The file that has been compressed will be automatically downloaded, and from the website you'll see that the PDF is on its smaller size. Once done, verify the quality of the file and the images you downloaded. See if they have sufficient resolution. If I Love PDF is unavailable, you can make use of other platforms offering the same service, such as Small PDF, Adobe PDF Compressor, or PDF Gear. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.